Hit Fn and F6 on the keyboard. This would usually turn on the web camera or the camera in Windows machines. So firstly give that a try. If that doesn't solve the problem, please proceed to the next step. Okay, go to start. In start, type privacy. Okay, and please open privacy settings. Under privacy settings, please look for camera. If you scroll down, you'll have that option. Yeah, and make sure it is allowed over here. Okay, if it is allowed, just turn it off and turn it back on. This option should also be on. Okay, now scroll down. It will show you the apps uh, which are enabled to use the camera. If you have specific app on which it's not working, please do make sure it is turned down at the bottom. For instance, Skype, okay, it uses camera. If here it's off, it would not work, and please turn it on. If it doesn't solve, please proceed to the next step. uh, Open camera, search for camera, right click and select app settings. Under app settings, you'll get an option to reset the settings of camera. Okay, click a reset and restart your computer and test it. If this doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to reinstall or refresh the drivers. Go to start, search for device manager and open device manager. Now under device manager, go to cameras, right click on the USB device or the camera and uninstall. Then perform scan for hardware changes. That should fix the problem.